In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailerlite Autoresponder in Coursefunnels. We'll go through the full setup process from inside Coursefunnels, connect it to Mailerlite using an API token, choose the correct group, map your form fields, and then test everything to make sure your automation is working properly. To begin, log into your Coursefunnels admin dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the plugins section. In that area, look for the option labeled Autoresponder or Email Autoresponder. This is where Coursefunnels allows you to connect external email marketing services. Open the autoresponder settings, and you should see a list of available integrations. From that list, select Mailerlite to start the connection process. Next, open your Mailerlite account in another browser tab. In Mailerlite, go to the integrations area, then open the Mailerlite API section. From there, generate a new token. Give it a simple name so you can recognize what it's for, then create the token. As soon as it appears, copy it right away and store it securely, because Mailerlite will not show the full token again later. Now return to Coursefunnels and paste that token into the API key or API token field provided for the Mailerlite integration. After that, click Connect, Save, or the equivalent button shown on your screen, and give the platform a moment to verify the connection. Once the connection is successful, choose the Mailerlite group or list where new subscribers from Coursefunnels should be added. If you haven't created a group yet in Mailerlite, make sure to do that first before continuing, since your automation will rely on that group. After that, open the specific course, funnel, or opt-in form you want to connect. Go into its autoresponder or email integration settings and select Mailerlite as the autoresponder for that form. Now map the fields between Coursefunnels and Mailerlite. For example, connect the email field to email, first name to name, and last name to last name. Field mapping is important because it ensures subscriber details are sent to the right places inside Mailerlite. When that's done, save or update your funnel or form settings in Coursefunnels. Next, switch back to Mailerlite and go to Automations. Create a workflow that starts when a subscriber joins the group you selected earlier. Then add your welcome email and any follow-up emails you want in the sequence. Once the workflow looks correct, review it carefully and activate it. Finally, test the integration. Open your Coursefunnels opt-in or registration page and submit a test entry using a test email address. Then go to your Mailerlite subscribers and groups area to confirm the subscriber was added to the correct group. Also check that the subscriber entered the automation and that the welcome email was delivered correctly. And that's how to integrate Mailerlite Autoresponder in Coursefunnels.